legs up, your legs. Lean back. Okay, that's the proper position all the way. Okay. One.
We're here at Las Cabanas Zipline in the famous ElNido. I guess I'm a little bit heavier than Sunny. Must be gravity. What a gorgeous and amazing view.
Okay.
Wow, that was awesome. But guess what? This is just the halfway mark.
They gotta make these tours much easier. Oh my god, look at this.
You actually have two choices. One is to walk down to the beach where there's a hidden sandbar. Crossing it looks like you're walking over water, which is pretty cool. Or this, which is ziplining back.
Bye, babe.
Whoa, that's far. And here we go. And you can see that sandbar to the right. Wow, as beautiful coming back as it was getting me. Wow, such a beautiful sunset today. And it's only $20 per person, or 1,000 pesos in the Philippines. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and hit subscribe and the notification bell. Thank you for supporting our channel. See you next time.